We'll take this off after we do our makeup. Yeah. See, car. Keep it right there. I like it. It don't even matter. And we're gonna take that red for our blush. We'll start fading away. It may look like a lot right now. I highlight, blend in. It's gonna be alright. But we got it on now, so we gotta keep it going. Ooh. Sing, Jill. I'm gonna use my lip pencil by Faces by SB. One of my classmates from high school launched this line. Baby, they used to. I wonder what made them put that in the song. My lip is sweating. We matte naked in 61. It just has always been my go-to. With NYX Buttergloss and Fortune Cookie. What the heck?
Ain't no boats. I put boats.
There ain't no boats.
No boats. Say it, please.
You think I'm gonna get rid of my we're not enough to correct your own paper.
What's happening is my show.
What's happening is.
Ain't that maybe?
Hold on.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, that's maybe.
Oh, okay.
Maybe I think I won, y'all.
Who is Rochelle?
Rochelle, that's off. Everybody say Chris. This one is iconic black moms. For my vlog. I've been vlogging since this morning. The Cosby Show. Oh, 7.
The Cosby Show.
5, 6. Yeah. 8.
It's gonna be a tough one. Everybody won.
1. 10. 9. 4. 3. 2.
Little loser. There you go. It was me.
What number she picked? I was going for the time. Y'all want to rock paper scissors? You gonna rock paper scissors? That's out of 3. She got one more person.
What's one more person to do?
She gonna name another woman.
Who is the mother from Lincoln Heights?
They said they don't know give
that from?
That's the show.
The Lincoln Heights. Mama on Lincoln Heights. Cassandra, son.
That might be the sister.
That's the actor name.
The mother. Hold on. Google say her name Cassandra. Oh, it say Jennifer Jen. I don't Google it, still got it wrong.
Just tell me when to stop.
I'm about to say, he about to give you the whole thing.
Now she ain't that big. Wait. Trying to see if I give her a hug.
Wait, you your son.
Wait.
Jay, come here, let me give you a hug. Come here, Jay.
They want to give you a hug.
I want to give you a hug.
Oh my God, I'm gonna give her a hug.
Measure myself.
That's how much.
I'm gonna measure myself.
I think
I
it's
ain't
too
trying to
much.
influence you. Whatever you want.
This may be too much. Dang it.
She trying to pull it up.
They did that. That's perfect. Oh, she got this look. I think mine's too long there.
Hello. London already.
Dang. Yes. It's like this much.
That's
Everybody was able to make bouquets of flowers on the baby shower. So sweet, such a sweet gesture. Love it. I'm about to get ready to put it in the vase. It is now 12 o'clock in the morning. Baby still beat, but baby the lip color, the liner is still there, but the lipstick, baby's gone. We done ate that off. I don't want to lay down without putting my flowers in some water. Try face and get ready for bed. Such a nice gesture, like to make bouquets. So cute. So, we have officially made it home. This is what the beat looks like. I think it looks pretty good. We got glammed around 2 something, and it's now 12:20 a.m. Today was an amazing day. I'm so glad I decided to get out the house, go to the baby shower, catch up with some of the girls. It was a really, really good time. I'm so glad that I did that. Thank them for inviting me, and I hope that they enjoyed their gifts. From the moment you walked in, like, they did their thing. It looked really, really nice. Tucker did a great job with the setup and the decor. Everything looked amazing. Jericho looked so beautiful. And just to see the joy in their faces as they went around and, like, you know, talked to their family and their friends. It was a really good time. It was a good time to check in with the girls because I haven't seen them in such a long time. So just to be able to be around them, enjoying and celebrating the baby, the new bundle of joy that's coming soon. I think that concludes today's vlog. And maybe we're going to call it a night. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next time.